Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using Kimberz Kreations. Now these two dip powders here are either sold in a duo or individually, and this duo is called the Sin and Gin collection, and the first color here is called Pick Your Poison, and it is a beautiful deep plum with some hints of shimmer in there, and it is beautiful, and this color pairs perfectly with this custom chunky glitter, and this is called Sin and Gin, and this chunky glitter has burgundy, some rose gold, and purples in here, and it is a beautiful fall chunky glitter. And I think that both of these colors together give you a really fun rustic fall vibe. And honestly, these colors are perfect for all year long, but right now I'm totally into the fall season, so these colors have me thinking fall. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing the gel method, and we're also going to finish this mani with a matte finish, and we're even going to put the matte top coat on the glitter nail. And surprisingly, it was so beautiful. So you'll see that at the end. So right now I am placing the gel base on my full coverage jelly tips. These jelly tips are from Sundara Nails, and they are in the shape short almond. I do get a lot of questions on what kind of tips I use, so I'll go ahead and leave that link as well in the description box. And I also have a discount code for Sundara Nails as well. And stay tuned if you are loving the fall manis right now. I am doing a whole bunch of fall manis coming up. And then starting October 1st, I am doing a 13 days of Halloween series. So what that's going to be is starting October 1st, each day I'm going to be doing a mani just of Halloween stuff. So 13 days of Halloween. So I'm really excited about that. I have a whole bunch of different brands to share with you and a whole bunch of fun Halloween manis planned. So I'm super excited about that just because October is so fun. I love Halloween. October 13th is my birthday, so I thought we would do just a little fun 13 days of Halloween mani series on my channel. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit.
All
All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty is this mani with a matte finish? I think it's super pretty, and even that glitter with a matte finish is stunning. So if you haven't checked out Kimberz Kreations dip powder yet, definitely go over and check out her website. This is the third mani I did now in the last 3 weeks with her products, and I am blown away. The powders apply really nicely. I have really minimal to barely any buffing and filing, which the powders lay flat on the nail, and I really like that. You can get this duo either as the duo, or you can get these powders sold individually, whatever you prefer. So I'll go ahead and link everything in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!